we're not here to compete at all. What we want to do is to support, to collaborate, and to embellish. So my job, our job as SEDC is to see how we can work, collaborate with you, sir, and the other governors in the Southeast. Identify the great policies that are being done in Enugu State that perhaps could work in another state. And we say, this is what is being, this is the amazing work within this sector being done in Imo State. Can it be done also in Ebonyi State? So what we are saying is that we want to build an investment portfolio of about $1 billion over the next 10 years, such that by our 8th year, that investment portfolio, the return on investment on it, will start paying for about 75% of the commission's costs.
On behalf of the government and people of Imo State, formally welcome the chairman, members and management of board of Southeast Development Commission to Imo State, and to congratulate them for emerging as the pioneer leadership of the Commission. I would like to use this opportunity to thank Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his wisdom, doggedness, courage, supporting and assenting to the bill that established this legislation. I see this as an opportunity from federal government to relieve the people of Southeast the agony and sufferings occasioned by that ugly incident. So you are there to work with each other. You are there to prove yourself. And listening to the chairman, you are an interventionist agency. Your activities must be complementary with that of state governments. You must be on the same page. Your work should complement the work of that of the subnational governments in the Southeast. So to start with, the first thing that is required of you, harmonious relationship between the board and the management. The second thing that is required of you is proper consultation with critical stakeholders and the people. The third thing, before you finally bring out your work program, is to do proper needs assessment of our people. Conduct a proper and realistic survey to enable you produce a work plan and a roadmap that can be called the people's document.